Hey everybody, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm. I am finally getting back to this tree over the road over our pond. That's this road is actually the dam that holds back the water for our pond, and there was a big maple tree that was growing up over the road, and I decided to take it down a couple weeks ago. And despite my best effort, I couldn't yank the treetop out with the tractor because there are these smaller trees here holding it back. So today I'm going to knock down those smaller trees. I'm going to pull that maple top out and salvage any firewood I can off of it. And then there's a couple other broken trees you can see there that got broken when this tree fell down. So I'm going to try to take all of that out today. Follow along, let's have a little fun. Here we go. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate that. That's a signal to YouTube that obviously you're enjoying this content, and they're more likely to share my video with other people who like similar kinds of things. So appreciate that. Now back to work. Alright, well now the arduous task of cleaning all this up is ahead of me, and I'm going to take some more down. I haven't taken that broken tree down yet, but all of this mess needs to get cleaned up, and I've started. If you hear that noise, kids have some friends over here today and they're running around like crazy. But I've started taking some of the smaller branches and piling them up over there. I'll grab them another time and haul them off to the burn pile, and then I'm going to clean up the rest of this top here and put that on top of that pile. And then anything that's over about 3 inches, I do save it for firewood. We'll either burn it in our own fire pit, or if it's nice and straight and clean, then I will add it into the mix for firewood inventory for selling for next year. So there's still a good amount of smaller, the first couple trees I took down, the smaller tree trunks, that'll make some decent little pieces of firewood. And then there's another big piece of the top in there still that I need to pull out. But I can't really get to it right now, so I gotta clean some more of that up. So anyway, back to work. got a few other things I want to get done today, so I'm not going to take that down. I'm not going to pick up any more of that brush over there, but I made a pretty good pile right here, and that took a lot longer than I expected it to, which is why I'm not going to complete this today. But that's the way things go out here at the farm. I got a few other things I want to get done, and they are kind of more important. This is not, I mean, it's an eyesore, but it's just not mission critical around here. So I got a few other things. Thanks for following along today, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you're curious about our farm and our property, we are a 43-acre Christmas tree farm in Central Virginia, now in our 3rd year of operation, and we do all sorts of work around here to improve the property and build this business from the ground up. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.